Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp group. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. You'll see the chat menu appear. From the chat screen, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. A new menu will pop up, so go ahead and select New Group. You can search for contacts by typing in their names or scrolling through your list. Once you've selected the people you want in the group, tap Next in the top right corner. Next, give your group a name. This is optional, but it can make the group more fun and personal. You can even add a group picture by tapping the camera icon and choosing a photo from your gallery. You can set a disappearing message duration to automatically delete messages after a specific time. You can also adjust group permissions by toggling options for who can send messages or edit group info. Once everything looks good, tap the Create button in the top right corner. And ta-da! Your new group is now live. You can start chatting, adding more members, sharing pictures, videos, and have conversations all in one place. You'll find your new group directly in your chat list. And that's it. For more tips and tricks like this, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.